I'm gonna start, let's say, with a full towel here, piece here. I'll cut a piece to come here.
Yeah.
Fill it in.
Like a little staggering.
Yeah, it's gonna be a random though. It's not gonna be a,
right.
It's gonna look natural.
And then the bottom.
I didn't see them outside the bottom tile.
Oh, we're gonna go look.
I just saw these.
Jarrod, you're doing amazing work, bro. What's the name of your company, man?
I don't have a name. It's just me.
Just him.
Jarrod Abadie.
Jarrod Abadie. Well, he's got a phone number. We're gonna put the phone number of his information linked down below. We got Jarrod that came out. He did all the flooring for us, and he's doing all the tile shower. And this is coming out amazing.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
What we're doing right now is we're testing the lines in the shower before Jarrod closes them up. So, whoa. A little water right there. We got the hot water.
Yeah, it's filled up on all the pieces. That's warm, bro. No leaves. That's what we like.
So we off right now. It's turned off, and now I'm gonna turn the pump off. Okay. You happy with it?
Yes, sir. How about you?
Yeah. Cool, man. Good morning. It is Saturday, June 6th. We got a little tropical storm approaching us for tomorrow. So my goal today is to clean up and pull the slides in, and we're gonna move the motorhome today. I want to put the motorhome up against the fence and close the gate. We have some work going on though. I brought in the tile. We're tiling the shower right now. We also have some the shades. I'm gonna be putting the shades up. I'll try to do some of that. Show you what's going on in here. In here, we made an elevated platform. Just make sure the pipes are clear. The whole shower is on like a isolator system, I guess you could see. If the motorhome moves a little bit, we're not going to be cracking tile. And to be honest with you, we're using some new technology. It's like some flex grout. It's all silicone based. Some of the higher end RVs are using this product, so we figured we was going to go ahead and do that too. So what I like to do right now would be put the dinette table back up. What I'm gonna do is, I found all the pieces that I need. We're just gonna start assembling back. I got a little piece of wood that I drilled some holes that I'm gonna use to back up, or this is gonna hold the back up of this so this don't tilt that way. So we're taking off an old girl. We're gonna go try her out.
Where's my phone? Oh.
We got her runner for a little bit, so we're gonna take her out on the
elevator.
road.
I was gonna tell you to run her.
We got the generator running. We're running both air conditions right now. We're going to take her for a spin.
Look how high up this is.
It's been a while since we ran her and moved her around. Try to get up to some highway speeds in a little bit, but we're passing through the neighborhood right now.
That's gonna happen.
And stuff is flying all over the place up in here.
You videoing?
Now I am.
Now you are?
Now I are.
We got some feeder bangs coming. Where's Jim Cacciatore? Where's Jim Cannelloni?
Cantaloupe. Where's Jim Cantaloupe at? I don't even know how to use the windshield wipers.
Bruh,
Oh, there we go.
gotta get with it. I love my motorhome. Let's go ride by Jamie. No? Randall's already flooded. You were videoing?
No. You coming in?
Come on, Tico.
Come.
The gate is gonna get you. That's cool.
Hey, turn that light on. Look at me. What you saying?
That's cool. That looks good. Look how good. That looks so cool with everything. Like, look how good it meshes. I want my house bathroom to be like this.
Step back. Let me try to see.
My RV bathroom is better than my house bathroom. What's up with that?
Wow, that really does look good.
I hope that comes off. Where is that? What you sniffing, buddy? On your bed.
And Jarrod Abadie did a wonderful job on this.
Amazing.
And it's still not finished. You gotta come back and grout. But, wow. Here's our bathroom. Now we started putting up some Disney stuff already. And this is what the shower looks like, all done. It's been grouted. It's got a natural earth sand look grout. And again, this is all a silicone based grout. It's called a Flex Tile. It's a product out of Florida, and these higher end motorhomes use this product, and it's supposed to be very, very good. Resist cracking, settling. It's waterproof. This thing is gorgeous. And what I ended up doing was I ordered it's like a vinyl shade. It's a slide. Now I always wanted to see the shower. I don't want it closed off with a curtain or anything like that. But we're gonna have this blade that's gonna be able to close up and lock. But yeah. Let's see, I got somebody using the shower right now. A wasp. He's up in here.